Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you how to farm MDF token using using liquidity token. So how can you farm using liquidity token? You have to add liquidity to MDF USDC on the Solana network to be able to farm MDF token on the MDF DApp, on the Matrix DApp rather. So I'll be showing you how you can do that. I'll be showing you how you can add liquidity and how you can stake your liquidity token. So when you come to the MDF app, you will see these headers and you go over to farm. All right. So when you go to farm, you see here it's available on the Ethereum network and also on the Solana network. Due to gas fee on the Ethereum network, I'll be focusing on the Solana network. So we have different pools for the farms. We have the MDF USDC, we have the MSI USDC, and we have the SEI SO pools. So how can you have this token? How can you stake this token? You have to you need an a liquidity token. So how can you get that? It will be available on Raydium, since that the DEX that the liquidity token is taken from. If you add liquidity to any other DEX aside Raydium, you won't be able to stake it in this pool. So it must come from Radium. So you now go to get LP and it's loading. The Radium Dex is loading. All right. So let's hope it opens fast. The Radium Dex is loading. Okay. So it has opened. All right. It's done. So now we are going to add liquidity to MDF USDC. To be able to add liquidity, you need MDF token and you also need USDC token. So we'll check. I don't have MDF here, so I need to buy MDF. I need to swap for MDF. All right, so I have been able to get my MDF token and my USDC token. As you can see here, I have USDC and MDF ready to add liquidity. So if you don't have any of those, you can always swap. You can swap any token for MDF or USDC. I dropped a video. I have a video where I showed how you can swap tokens to MDF, or you can swap any token to MDF. So you go to liquidity. You see, when you go to liquidity, you put your MDF up. All right. So MDF will be up, and then your USDC will be down, since that's the pool that you are adding liquidity to. All right. So now you can do max. Okay. As you can see, let me use this one. As you can see, max insufficient MDF balance. So I'll go with 133. All right. So you now click on supply, and then you supply the liquidity. Then you approve it on your in your wallet. After supplying, you approve. So it has I have been able to supply my liquidity. So now you come back to your MDF DApp. You come back to the MDF DApp, and then to the Matrix DApp rather. So you go to your farm. You see, you go to Solana, not Ethereum. You come to Solana. I have added liquidity to the Radium on the Radium Dex. So now it's now remaining for me to stake my LP token. So you click here and you click on stake. It hasn't reflected. Let me reload my page. Come to Solana. Okay, so my LP token has reflected now. So I click on max, I confirm the transaction, and I stake. So I have successfully staked my LP token. All right, so if I reload the page, let me see, page reload. All right, so I have successfully staked it. If you come here, you see that my staking as shown here, 28.999. That's the value of the LP token I staked. All right, you can do the same thing for other pools. We have MSI USDC pool, farm pool. We have ACI Soul farm pool with different APRs, different APRs. So you can choose anyone you want to farm, and then you stake your token, and you start earning. Okay, so for more information about the MDF reward, you can click here. You see this place for more information. You can always click here for more information. All right, thank you for watching this video. Have a great time.